Hey, how's it going? So today we're going to look at our kitchen renovation. We didn't do a whole lot of structure in this building. We did a little bit around the window here. We did all the framing and HVAC to get ready for the kitchen that was installed by Delorier. We started off by demoing everything down. We extended this wall here and removed a pocket door. As well as over here, we deleted a wall that came out here on the L to give more access for the kitchen. We had to do pretty extensive HVAC work because once we started disassembling everything, we realized that none of the HVAC was actually attached. It was just blowing into the cavities and you were losing a lot of heat and energy. So we had our HVAC guys come in and they hooked us up with a lot better of a runs, and now there's heat actually going upstairs. Before we had just painted built-in cabinets, and now it's been revamped to a bit more of a modern look. The handles aren't yet on, but we're going to get some brass handles which will really pop in here. It's original tiles from the kitchen before, and the homeowners wanted to keep it. Has a lot of color and character. We also installed crown in all these other rooms over here and scraped the ceilings of the old stipple, which gives it a much cleaner look. As well as in this room, we did all the trim, repainted, and got the ceilings scraped. The crown adds a little bit more detail to the room, which is quite nice, as it was pretty plain before. Homeowners got some nice new couches. We also got all the floors refinished, just sanded with a natural clear coat over it. The homeowner wanted to get rid of a little bit of the red and the golden look, so she went with a clear natural stain. She also got a new banister, which looks amazing. A big change from the classic golden oak with the wooden rungs. Went with a bit more of a modern painted look, which is quite unique. I like it a lot. Other than that, we've just redone all the doors in here, and it's about the gist of it.